Oh. I gotta be careful with this one, Jake. I broke the last one. Oh. Oh. I totally put a hole in my radiator.
Oh, I guess we're draining the radiator.
Step 1, lay out your fans where you'd like them to be.
We're gonna put that one right there. And this one right here.
The entire goal is to try to cool as much of the radiator as possible.
There,
Oh, see, now,
there. It's
now
like it came that way.
Yeah, now it did.
It's like it. Wait, there we go.
They don't look crooked anymore.
Yeah, they look, because our wiring should come this way. I mean, it only makes sense.
Yeah, it only makes sense.
All right, we have our fans where we want them on this radiator. We've got them offset to make sure that they cool as much of these horizontal lines going through here from left side to the right side. Now we're going to work on installing. We've got these black pieces here that slide in on the corners. You want to make sure that you get your wires set up where you want them. We even moved our sticker here just to make sure that it looked good. There does seem to be a little bit of a lip on some of these. Make sure you get that off before installing. Now you're going to get a few different pieces. Got these nylon screws, bolts, sometimes what they call them, a spring, and then this lock nut right here. Before you install these, there are foam pieces that come with. You're going to want to put those on them. Put those on right now. Put one on this end. So make sure you line up that hole in the middle and put your little foam protector gripper on there. Now you've got one ready to install. You've got to get 4. So let's do the rest of our 4 here quick and move to our fan on our radiator. Now you slide your plastic pieces through your radiator. Jake, I have it right where I want it. You hold it, and I'm going to push these through.
Doesn't matter whether your radiator is outside of your vehicle or installed.
It does help to have a second person helping you out.
You just have to make sure when you're testing your fan before you take your vehicle out on its maiden voyage to make sure the fan is pulling the air the right direction.
Now we add little nuts on the other side. You want to leave a little spring tension there so that it makes it easier to remove these if you ever want to remove them.
Nice and tight so that way you have no...
God, this looks nice. But last step, cut off your access. All right, now our radiator is ready for installing.
If you enjoyed watching this video, you're going to want to click that link in the upper right. That's our full install of this radiator, fan, and relay from beginning to end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next Roy Garage episode.